All right, guys. In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. I have something really special that, well, I think needed an unboxing. So, no car stuff today, but something pretty exciting. So this is actually my my first Rolex that I purchased, and it's a pretty special one. So let's get to it. I got a call from my AD, which took months, but it finally happened. And I got something really nice. Any guesses? It's a 2022 year model. Bam. I don't know if you guys can see this. But it's a 2022 Rolex Submariner with the green bezel, the Kermit or the Starbucks or whatever you want to call it. And it's by far the nicest watch I've ever owned, ever wore. It's brand spanking new. Not a single scratch or scuff. It's amazing. Now I thought I was gonna get, just a basic date or even a no date sub, but then when he called me about this one, I was just over the moon. Just an amazing watch. It's perfect. Such a clean watch. I actually didn't think my AD was able to get me one. So I went to go look at one to buy online. And of course the thing was just fake, 100%. Such a smooth turning bezel. Such a crisp watch. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think. I know the prices, the secondary market on these are pretty ridiculous right now. Almost basically double the price of retail. I also have another watch of mine coming in, which is a Japanese model Seiko SPB 143. So if you guys care to see that, open box opening, let me know and I'll definitely will be doing that for you guys. Looks like an amazing watch. Heard only good things about it and it looks great, so we'll see when it gets here sometime this month. But anyways, guys, that was a quick little review, not really review, but just showing you guys my brand new first Rolex Submariner Kermit edition or Starbucks edition, whatever. Yeah, just wanted to do a quick little video. I'm really excited about this watch. So hopefully we'll do this again with another Rolex. Anyways, let me know if you guys like this stuff, and if you do, I'll do a few more watches and obviously more car maintenance. And also I'll be starting to do some detailing on the vehicles. If you guys want to see some of that, I can also be showing you guys that. Yeah, if you guys like this stuff, it would really help me out if you guys subscribed and liked the video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.